Ever spent hours preparing an asset package only to get rejected? This free official tool from Unity streamlines the whole submission process. It automates validation and packaging, catching common issues before you hit submit. The interface is intuitive enough for non-programmers to prepare professional packages. Saves you from manual folder structure headaches. You can focus on creating instead of wrestling with export settings. With over 300 reviews and a 4.59 rating, creators swear by it. The validation isn't perfect. It sometimes misses things that human reviewers flag, so treat it as a helpful suggestion, not a guarantee. At $0, this tool pays for itself on the first submission. You avoid rejection. That works out to zero cost per upload. Grab it today on the Asset Store. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Building a 2D platformer world from scratch is a ton of work. This free pack hands you 124 village props ready to drag in. From bushes to chests with open-close animations, every sprite shares a consistent pixel art style. You get a full tile set plus fire effects. Setup is straightforward. Drop the prefabs into your scene and they work with Unity's tile map system. Great for prototyping or final art. Rated 4.88 from over 70 reviews, users love the polish and sheer volume for a free pack. Documentation is a bit light. You might need to tweak sprite alignments on diagonal tiles, but it's a quick fix, not a deal breaker. For free, you skip dozens of hours of pixel art creation. That works out to $0 per prop, an incredible time investment. Download it now. Outdoor scenes feel empty without nature assets. This light pack from Interverse Interactive gives you a gorgeous low-poly forest start. The pack includes trees, rocks, and ground textures that instantly add life to your terrain. The art style is clean and consistent. It's free and lightweight, perfect for prototyping outdoor levels without bogging down your project. A perfect 5-star rating from 31 users confirms this is high quality for zero cost. Being a light version, the asset count is limited. You won't populate a massive forest, but it's a solid foundation you can expand. Freelance environment artists charge 10 times this for a single tree model. At $0, you get a ready-to-use nature starter pack. That's an absurd deal. You know that iconic Synty polygonal art style seen in countless games? This starter pack gives you a taste for free. The pack includes a variety of modular buildings and props that snap together, letting you build a village or dungeon in minutes. All models use the familiar Synty palette and optimized polygon counts, so they run well on mobile and PC alike. Rated a perfect 5 stars from 50 reviewers, it's a no-brainer ad for any dev who loves the style. As a starter pack, it has a limited selection. You'll want to supplement with the full pack for larger projects. But it's enough for a demo. For $0, this is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Snag it and start building your dream game environment. Coding a third-person character controller from scratch is one of those tasks that eats your whole weekend. This free template gets you moving in 10 seconds. Just drag your model onto the preset and you instantly have a rigid body-based character with root motion and basic camera follow. Works with Mixamo animations. It's lightweight and ready for Unity 6. The whole setup is plug and play, so you can focus on gameplay, not controller math. Over 246 reviews give it a 4.52 rating. Many educators use it for teaching game development. The code uses older patterns and relies on the legacy input system. You may need to update it for modern projects, but it's a great starting point. If one client project uses this controller, you have paid for the time saved 100 times over. At $0, the business ROI is instant. Sometimes you just need trees and grass to see if your game feels right. This kit gives you a forest collection to start with. It includes trees compatible with Unity's built-in tree generator, so you can edit shapes and colors directly in the editor, plus 6 bushes and ground textures. You get a simple skybox and a variety of variations to populate a meadow or forest floor quickly. With 341 reviews and a 4.58 rating, it's a trusted starting point for many. But heads up, this asset is old. It has compatibility issues with newer Unity versions and URP. Use it in a built-in pipeline project or be ready to fix shaders. At $0, treat yourself to a shortcut this week. You deserve a weekend project that actually feels good to build. Multiplayer is complex, but Mirror makes it approachable. This open-source networking library is the industry standard for Unity. It handles state sync, RPCs, and client-server architecture with a clean API. You write network behavior instead of mono behavior and use simple tags. Mirror is used in commercial hits like Population 1. The community is massive and the Discord support is fantastic. Rated 4.74 from over 300 reviews, it's battle-tested since 2014. Documentation can be inconsistent. You may rely on community tutorials or AI tools to fill gaps, but the framework itself is rock solid. At $0, this networking library would cost hundreds from other providers. That works out to 0 cents per concurrent player. Grab it and ship your multiplayer game. Building a car game? Coding vehicle physics from scratch is a rabbit hole. This free controller gets you driving in minutes. It uses Unity's wheel colliders for acceleration, steering, braking, and even drifting. You can tweak max speed and steering angle in the inspector. It includes engine sounds, tire smoke particle effects, and a speedometer UI, ideal for prototypes or top-down racing games. 112 reviews give it a 4.78 rating. Beginners love how quickly they can get a car on the road. The asset relies on the legacy input system and has a hard-coded speed cap of 190. Upgrading to the new input system requires some work. For free, you skip 40 hours of vehicle physics debugging. That's a massive time-saved ROI. Download it and start racing today. Platformer fans, this one is for you. A whole collection of sprites, UI buttons, and environment tiles to kickstart your 2D game. You get character run animations, enemy objects, seasonal terrain, chest animations, and water effects. Over 36 handcrafted icons included. Tiles come in spring, autumn, and winter variants, so you can create seasonal levels easily. Source AI and EPS files are also included. Rated 4.7 from 452 reviews, it's a community favorite for rapid prototyping. There are no functional scripts. This is strictly art assets. You'll need to handle interactivity yourself. Also, some import persistence glitches reported. For $0, this would cost a fortune per sprite individually. Compare that to hiring an artist. You save hundreds. That's unbeatable value. Need a creepy interior for your horror game? This massive Asylum environment is free and packed with detailed props. Over 100 models and prefabs, 144 materials, 22 fully furnished rooms. It's a full level ready to explore. PBR materials at 2048 resolution give a professional immersive look, ideal for exploration, puzzle, or stealth games. Rated 4.47 from 79 reviews, users are amazed at the quality for free. Performance is a concern. High draw calls and no LODs may lag lower-end hardware. Also, the environment isn't modular, so layout changes require manual work. At $0, this is less than the cost of a movie ticket. and absurd anchoring, a full game environment for free. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.